Hi, I'm Jonathan Thomas with ATXN, and this is your ATX Update as I am outside of the Central Library, site of the Office of Police Oversight's first ever open house this Saturday from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. Learn all about the Office of Police Oversight's work in order to build trust and transparency between the community and the police department. Oh yeah, there's also free food as well. Now on to this weekend's events. Saturday, the Carver Museum is hosting an evening with Joshua Banbury. Banbury, a multi-dimensional lyricist and vocalist, brings his latest project, Yeshua, right here to Austin for the world premiere. It's free and open to all ages from 7 p.m. to 9. The MLS All-Star Game is coming to Austin next week, but the celebration will begin over the weekend as Auditorium Shores will host the MLS All-Star Celebration. Concerts, giveaways, and player appearances will take place from 6 p.m. to 10 both Saturday and Sunday. It's also free. Sunday, if you're tired of being a puppet, just kidding, you can make one of your own at the Puppet Making Workshop presented by Small Wonders Puppet Theater. Don't worry about bringing a thing. All supplies are included. Just come through to Peace Park from 10 a.m. to 11. And that's just a look at some of the events going on in the capital city. For a full list of events, head on over to austintexas.gov/events. And while you're online, you might as well check out more ATXN content on our YouTube page at ATXN TV. I'm Jonathan Thomas. This has been your ATX Update. Have a great day.